Welcome back to UZR Tube. We all love our dogs, but do they truly understand how much we care? While we express love with hugs and words, dogs communicate differently. Today, we're revealing 8 ways to tell your dog you love them in a way they actually understand. Let's dive in. In the dog world, direct staring can feel like a threat, but soft eye contact with slow blinking is a sign of trust and affection. If your dog gazes at you with relaxed eyes, blink slowly. It's their version of a loving smile. Dogs may not understand every word, but they recognize tone and emotion. A calm, cheerful voice reassures them and strengthens your bond. Saying things like, "Good dog," or "I love you" in a happy tone makes a difference. In the wild, dogs sleep close to those they trust. If your dog chooses to rest near you, it's a sign of deep love and security. Letting them sleep in the same room, whether on your bed or nearby, tells them they are part of your pack. Not all petting is the same. While head pats can feel overwhelming, most dogs love gentle strokes on their chest, belly, or behind the ears. Find their favorite spot and show affection in a way they appreciate. Dogs express love through play, so engaging in their favorite activities strengthens your bond. Whether it's fetch, tug of war, or a fun run outside, playing together is one of the best ways to show love in a way they understand. Love also means understanding when your dog needs space. If they walk away or show signs they need a break, let them. Respecting their boundaries builds trust and makes them feel secure around you. Dogs thrive on positive reinforcement. Rewarding them with treats, praise, or affection when they do something right helps them feel loved and confident. Always focus on rewarding good behavior rather than scolding mistakes. Dogs don't always need an activity to feel loved. Sometimes they just want to be near you. Whether it's sitting together, going on a walk, or just relaxing on the couch, spending uninterrupted time with them may not strengthens your connection. "I love you" in words, but through actions, they can feel it every day. Try these simple ways to show love, and you'll build an even deeper bond with your furry friend. How do you show love to your dog? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more heartwarming dog insights here on UZR Tube.